What if we could build your entire outreach campaign with one prompt? We're going to do that right now inside Claude. We're going to find you the right CEOs and create a personalized email, LinkedIn message, and a cold call script and insert it into our campaign inside the Seamless platform with just one single prompt and never having to leave Claude. So here's our prompt. Find 25 CEOs at SaaS companies in Florida, research their verified emails, direct phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles, then build a 3-touch campaign with an email, LinkedIn message, and 30-second cold call script. Personalize each outreach, reducing manual prospecting and generating more pipeline with a CTA to book 15 minutes this week. That's a really specific prompt, and we are giving it a lot of tasks to complete, but you're going to see that it can do this with one prompt. And boom, with one prompt, it completed the entire tasks. It found all of our contacts and it built the campaign. Here's some of the notes that Claude attached. It's showing us the 25 contacts that we're reaching out to, the 3-touch pipeline outreach campaign. And if you go to your Seamless platform inside the campaigns right here, you'll see that it completed the entire task with the 25 contacts. We have the automatic email, the LinkedIn message, all personalized, and the cold call ready to launch. Now you can actually send your campaign right from Claude using the prompt, or you can tell it to set it as a draft so you can review it back in your Seamless platform afterwards. So try this out with your own target persona and use it as a starting point for your next outbound campaign.